Wise members also receive free job listings as part of their membership package. The number of listings is dependent upon your organisation's membership level. Adding a vacancy is done online and it's really quick and simple to do. First, go to Jobs at the top right hand of any page and click Post a Job. From here you can select the tier you want and enter all the details you want candidates to see. Not all of these fields are mandatory, so you can input as much or as little information as you need. When you're happy with the finished job advert, you can pay by card, PayPal, or opt to receive an invoice. And the job advert will go live. Staying logged into the Wise website allows easy and efficient access to information, resources, and tools. It allows you to get the most from your Wise membership and to inspire and inform your team to be more gender balanced in STEM initiatives and goals. We encourage you to use the online resources available and to manage your notification settings to help you get the most out of your membership. If you want to know more, would like to give us feedback, or if your organisation wishes to discuss renewing at a different membership level, please get in touch by emailing info@wisecampaign.org.uk.